Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a really unique set of earrings, then you need to check these ones out.
These are the tortoise shell ribbon bow earrings from FAMARINE, and they are so absolutely precious. I love how they come in this great little gift box. So if you want to give them to someone, they make the perfect gift. But I decided I wanted them for myself, and they are just so cute. I literally have gotten so many compliments on these. They really just bring this like fun little pop to any outfit. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. They weigh almost nothing and they come with the perfect backs for them so they fit in my ears so nicely. I love dressing them up or dressing them down. They are the perfect size to just pop right out of this hat that I'm wearing. They are just like such a fun little accessory, and you have to add these to your wardrobe.
I have gotten so many compliments on these earrings. I think they're absolutely perfect, and that's my point of view.